So, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. As you all know, this is the revision lecture for unit number 3 and unit number 4 for the subject Commerce, TY BCom, all divisions. Okay, so as you all know, students, unit number 1 and unit number 2, the video is already available like for your revision lecture. I hope you all have watched it. Okay, so now let us quickly begin with unit number 3. So as you all know, students, last lecture we had discussed what are the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion. Correct. So if I will tell you, basically, students, in all these, the 4 P's, now we have to study each P in detail. Okay, so the first concept is product positioning. So see, students, positioning means what? Basically, if I will tell you, in the minds of our customers, how we are positioning ourselves. So giving you a simple example, everyone has heard of the brand Mercedes. Correct, everyone like has this general perception attitude ki it is a very luxury brand, they provide the best quality products. Correct, so that is what, students, so these companies, when it comes to sports shoes, Nike is a very good brand. So what it is told over here basically is, product positioning strategies means what? How you are in your customer's mind, creating a good image, a positive image about your brand. Okay, that is what is told over here. So here, if I will tell you, students, these we need not study in detail, but giving you simple examples, like for example, some companies, what they will do is, like for example, they will have very competitive prices like DMart, Big Bazaar. Some companies, they will have product benefits, like for example, giving you um, the example of Apple, right? Even though their phones are a bit expensive, but still people are buying it, right? Competition means what ways you are coming up to overcome competition. So that is what we mean by product positioning. So now what I will do is, now I will share the next slide with you. Students, for those of you who have joined now, this is the revision lecture going on. Okay, for unit number 3 and unit number 4. So, yes, the next concept we will do, this is very important, students, pricing. Okay, so as I have told you, price is a very important factor. Correct? If I will tell you, price in especially a country like India, price is the first thing that a customer will see. Correct? That is what is told over here. So if I will tell you, students, basically there are some pricing strategies. I have always told you there are a number of factors on which price depends, right? For example, current market situation, the cost. See, basically, students, in pricing, if I will tell you, cost is a very important concept. At the end of the day, we have to make profits. Correct, so that is what is told over here. Kai bar the price at what we are getting, that is also important, right? So that is what is told over here. So now if I will tell you, let's have a look at few pricing strategies. First one is penetration. So students, as you all know, in penetration pricing, okay, giving you the best example of Geo, how initially they had kept the prices of the SIM cards very low, but gradually later they increased their prices. Correct, that is what is told over here. Penetration means initially keeping the prices low and then increasing the prices. Talking about price skimming, SKIMMING. So in price skimming, as I had told you, students, companies, what they will do basically is, initially, okay, they will keep their prices high and gradually they will reduce the prices. Take the best example of Apple, students. Correct, a company like Apple. So initially when their phones are new in the market, what they basically do is, they will keep the price very high. Then after, at some point of time, when the prices will reduce, what they, when the technology becomes outdated, what they will basically do is reduce the price. Correct, this is known as skimming and penetration are exact opposite of each other. Okay, Next, if I will tell you students one more example, maybe psychological pricing. See students, psychology is nothing but human mind. If you remember here, I had given you an example of odd pricing, bata. Like what bata does is, students, they will keep the prices of their products 499, 99 instead of 500 or 100. So even though there's a difference of only 1 rupee, still what the customer will feel is ki, yes, I am saving my money. Correct? They know how to attract customers. Another example, bundle pricing. Students, companies like Big Bazaar and all basically, right? Normally, what they do is they will encourage you to buy in lot, ab zyada quantity lo, so that per unit price of the product becomes less. Okay, that is what is told over here. One more, if I will tell you, promotional pricing. If you remember students, whenever, maybe for example, Amazon, Flipkart, or any new store that opens up, okay, so if they come up with any new promotional offers, means the first 100 customers will get 1000 rupees off, something like that. So that is what is basically told over here, promotional pricing. Okay, they are using more and more promotional techniques, like they know how to attract crowds. Correct? So this was about pricing concept, students. Right, last time I had explained you product in the second unit. Now we are pricing, we are done. Now let us move to promotion. Okay. So students, I would request you all, once we are done with the lecture, you all can have a look at these videos again. Okay. So that, your concepts would become more clear. Okay. Now, if I will tell you students, product price, now let us move to place. Okay, if you see place, what we normally call it as location, that is very important. Place is also known as physical distribution. Like for example, if initially I am selling my products only in Mumbai, I will later aim to expand my business. Maybe in whole of Maharashtra, whole of India, something like that. Correct? So that is what. So what comes under place is inventory control. I had told you students, first thing, okay, I'll take up order processing. Means normally companies like Amazon, Flipkart, when they receive any order, what basically happens is they have to make sure कि they take the order in a proper manner. Warehouses होते हैं उनके, a place where they can physically store the product. Okay, means what students, in order to protect the product, if you remember product may I told you about packaging also, how important it is. Correct? So same way warehouse may, students, how Mumbai's atmosphere is, there can be a lot of rains, a lot of heat. So that is what is told over here basically, that is why we need warehouses, okay, where we can store our products till the time it is transported. Transportation, you all know students, railways, roadways, these are the various modes used. And inventory control, now see students, inventory means what? Nothing but stock of the goods that you are having. So for example, I had given you an example during Diwali time. Okay, normally the demands for chocolates, how it increases. So what basically the shopkeepers do is advance may they will order chocolates. Okay, so that future may there are no shortages. Okay, so what to order, how much to order, because if we order too much, okay, and then due to any reason if the sale doesn't happen, we have to bear the losses. And if we keep too less quantity of a product, what will happen is customer will leave disappointed. Okay, so that is what is meant by place or physical distribution. I hope it's clear students. Yes or no, you can answer in the chat box. I'm reading your responses. Let me share the next slide now. Okay, now this is a very important concept, students, in place only. This we also call it as SCM. It is nothing but supply chain management. Okay, so what exactly it is, if I will tell you in short, students, right from the time the product is manufactured, okay, till the time it reaches to the customer. all the processes that are involved come under SCM, supply chain. So if you remember here, I had given you an example of lace. Okay, so right from that time, in manufacturing potato wafers, potato is the raw material, correct? To the time, फैक्ट्री में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रहा है, पैकेजिंग हो रहा है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, फिर वहां से उनकी फैक्ट्री से रिटेल आउटलेट्स तक, वॉट एवर द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज इन्वॉल्व, एंड टू द टाइम द प्रोडक्ट रीचेज द कस्टमर. Finally, once the product reaches the customer, our role is over. So all the transportation handling part, right? Because students, it's very important that the product reaches on time to your customer. Okay, so all of that comes under SCM, supply chain management. Okay, this, as I told you, students, this is a component of place. Okay, now let us move to the next P, which is promotion. So as you all know, students, in promotion, basically it is all about, I had given you, हिंदी में बोला था मैंने आपको, students, आज के time में जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. Means what? The main aim advertising over here is basically to make sure the customers are noticing your product, right? So now this is nothing but integrated marketing communication, IMC. So what are the various tools that come in promotion mix? Let us have a look. Advertising, as I told you, you might be watching many advertisement on televisions, right? They are nothing but an effort done by the advertisers to make sure you notice your product. Okay. Sales promotion. So as you all know, students, companies जो होती है कई बार, they might be bringing up with exciting offers, buy one get one free. Okay, first 100 customers will get a free product. This is nothing but sale promotion. Malls mein, okay, there used to be sale time and all, people used to go in huge crowds. Okay, sales promotion. New store open hota hai to bhi they come up with kai baar, first 100 customers will get a complimentary gift, something like that. Personal selling, so this I'll explain in the next slide. Direct marketing. You all know, students, direct marketing means companies nowadays marketing on, directly to the customers, right? Here they will use maximum social media marketing, like for example Facebook, Twitter, Instagrams, all these platforms. Okay, mobile marketing, SMS marketing, very well, students. If you are buying from Amazon regularly, whenever they have their sale, they normally send you so many messages. Correct? Public relations. Now, students, in today's time, this is very important. In traditional marketing, okay, initially what used to happen is only, the only aim was to sell the product. After that, they are not concerned. Okay, the seller. But nowadays, if you see, students, in marketing, word of mouth publicity plays a very important role. Okay, so what it's told over here is companies are having their own call centers. Well, they will make sure they are asking for customer feedback. If they have any suggestions or improvements, they can always tell them. Okay, that is what is told over here. Public relations means, if they are having any query related to the product, they can contact their customer care. Okay, sponsorships. Here I had given you an example, students. Nowadays, companies like Paytm, Emirates, you might have seen during ICC, Cricket World Cups and all. They are sponsoring the events. Why? Because they know कि such events like ICC and all, okay, they have a huge platform, okay, huge viewership. So through them, Pizza Hut and all, through them, people are going to give their orders. Correct? So this is known as sponsoring. You sponsor. आप कोई इवेंट में पैसा लगाते हो and in return you are expecting orders out of it. Okay, so I hope this is clear, students. This all we had done basically. All of this comes in promotion. Okay, the fourth P. So now let me share the next slide with you. As I have told you, now we will take up this slide for personal selling. Yes. So if you see, students, personal selling, may I had given you the example of maybe companies like Aquaguard. Kent, those who are selling water purifiers. Okay, so what normally happens is initially, see, whenever someone is going personally to the customer, वो लोग कैसे हमारे सोसाइटी में आते थे, so first students, those sales person ऐसे ही किसी को अपॉइंट नहीं करेंगे. What they have to make sure is they are given proper training. Okay, I have told you, salesperson have to be very good at their communication skills, use polite language. Okay, that is what is told over here. So pre approach means before, how before exams you all study. So same way, if I will tell you, before actually approaching a customer, what you normally do is you ask them ki how was your overall experience, sir. Okay, just like a practice which a salesperson is doing, right? Then actually in third step he will approach a customer के पास जाएंगे, उनके water purifier का demonstration they will give. Next, if I will tell you, is actual presentation and demonstration. Fifth point is very important now, students, handling objections. Because here, normally, what can happen is at this stage, a customer will ask you many queries. Like, for example, why should I buy? Questions like that. So, in such a stage, the person has to be prepared, basically, salesperson, कि उनके जो भी queries है answer them in a right professional way. Okay, next, if I will tell you, closing means finally we close the deal and there's a follow up. As I have told you, students, in modern marketing, follow up is very important, correct? It's not enough ki chalo once we have sold the product, then our duty as a marketeer is done. No, follow up is extremely important, students, if I will tell you. Why? Because if they are having any query, see, आज के time में, students, this saying, customer is the king, right? So even if we lose one customer, okay, tomorrow he might spread a bad review about us through online or through his personal contacts. Okay, so that is what is told over here. So I hope you have understood steps of personal selling. During COVID, this has become very less, students, due to the restrictions, but best example I gave you, water purifiers ka personal selling mein, how they actually used to come to your house and demonstrate to you. Correct, that is what is told over here. I hope it's clear, students. Okay, now we are beginning with the fourth unit, students. Okay, so over here, if you remember, I told you a very important concept, rural marketing mein. India mein, especially if you see, students, 70% of people stay in rural areas, गांव के side रहते हैं. So आप अगर देखते हो, I have given you the example of ICICI Bank, banking sector, how they have expanded their businesses. ATM sector है, okay, insurance sector है in rural areas, correct? So बहुत इसका, there's a huge potential in India. Why? There are many reasons, like large population, as I have told you, students, where population is large. आप देखो companies like Amazon and all, why they want to, all of them want to invest in India. The main reason is the population is huge. We have a large population. Correct. Urban market competition. Normally, if you see, I'd given you the example of smartphones here, I remember. Everyone targets only cities, no one targets rural areas. But what they are not seeing is, students, ultimately who is a स्मार्ट बिजनेसमैन, हम बोलते हैं ना, जो कम कंपटीशन में ज्यादा अर्न कर सकता है, रादर देन ऑलरेडी कंपटीशन है वहां पे फोकस करना, राइट? यस. Improved infrastructure. Nowadays, if you see in rural areas also, students, the infrastructure is improving. Means what? Basically, if I will tell you, more and more, if I will tell you, in modernization is happening, right? Over there also, like nowadays, people have started working. If I will tell you increased income ka point also, I will cover up your students. More and more women are also there in the workforce. Nowadays, even they are getting educated. So, logo ka standard of living has also improved. करेक्ट, दिस इज द रीजन वाई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा है, वहां पे भी ट्रैवल कनेक्टिविटी अच्छा हो गया है, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज आर देयर, सैचुरेटेड अर्बन, सी सैचुरेटेड का मीनिंग क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? हम बोलते हैं ना कोई भी कैपेसिटी फुल हो जाना, सो सेम वे सैचुरेटेड अर्बन मार्केट मीन्स व्हाट? इन cities there are already so many companies that like there's not a scope for much more. I have told you, like even if I had to open my mobile phone company, okay, rural areas may it becomes easy for me to do the business, right? Why? Because cities में already there is so much competition, मेरे लिए survive करना difficult होगा, right? Financial institutes, even if you see students nowadays, government, they are coming up with so many new schemes. ओके बेसिकली क्या करते हैं वो लोग? दे आर एंकरेजिंग पीपल कि आप रूरल एरियाज में जाके फैक्ट्रीज ओपन अप करो. वाई? सो दैट वहाँ के लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, दे आर गेटिंग न्यू जॉब्स. एंड एज यू ऑल नो स्टूडेंट्स, बेसिकली once people's income increases, their standard of living will also increase. Correct? So that is what is told over here. New employment opportunities. They should always remember students, be a balanced growth. Okay? हम बोलते हैं ना अर्बन एरियाज रूरल एरियाज बहुत ज्यादा गैप नहीं होना चाहिए, बैलेंस्ड रीजनल डेवलपमेंट. Correct? So I hope you all have understood students why this concept is so important, rural marketing. Okay? Let me share the next slide now. Students, attendance sheet I will circulate in the end. Okay? Yes. Now, if you remember, students, this concept we had done, green marketing का, ethical practices in marketing. इसमें क्या था basically, students? Nowadays, companies are, becoming more conscious of their impacts on environment. Means I had told you, they have started using, avoiding plastic bags and using jute bags, paper bags. ओके इससे क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? बिकॉज अवर एक्शन शुडंट हार्म द एनवायरमेंट, right? You know how global warming rates have increased. So again, now what we are doing, students, the next answer over here is, unethical practices in advertising. If you remember, students, I had given you so many examples in this answer. Nowadays, all companies, since they are in this race of earning profits, okay, they are doing many unethical. Means ethics ka meaning, students, ethics teaches us what is right, what is wrong. If I will tell you, students, the word ethics, okay, it is derived from the Greek word ethos. It will tell us what is right, what is wrong, kya sahi galat mein farak hai. So giving you a few examples: deception, okay, means cheating the customers. If you remember here, I had given you Maggie noodles, 2-minute noodles they have written. Ideally it is never cooked in 2 minutes. Correct? Bribery, like companies like Coca-Cola and all, if you remember, students, a few years back, there was a case against them. There are a lot of pesticides in their soft drinks. Okay, so if such a thing would have happened in USA, such developed countries, they would have completely banned such companies. Okay, but यहाँ पे bribe देके corruption काफी है. That is why these companies are surviving. Discrimination. I told you the best example of Fair and Lovely, students, right? Their ads. How they are discriminating, that people with a fair skin are confident, are smart, and people those who are not fair, okay, they are not capable of doing anything. In a way, they are promoting such wrong things, students, to sell their products. Okay, like for example, one more, if I will tell you, failure of duty. So many companies give very big promises like Tide, all of that, this Surf Excel, Ariel. However, when we actually use the products, we realize कि दाग इतनी आसानी से नहीं जाते हैं. What they are really showing, okay, and reality is quite different. Unhealthy and unsafe, students, if you see so many companies, like especially, those who are selling cigarettes, they basically always show this ki, teenagers ko they will target ki smoking cigarettes is a cool thing to do. However, they will never show ki, iske side effects kya hai, lung cancer hota hai. No one shows that reality. No evidence, means without any proof they are claiming big things. Okay, exploitation, I have told you, be it exploitation using children in their ads, animals in their ads. Okay, so these all are the wrong things. Unethical means what? Jo galat cheeze hai, they are using all to sell their products. Okay, which should be avoided basically. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let me share the next slide now, students. So this is again, as you all know, fourth unit that is going on. Okay, so, yes, this is the next slide, students. So, as I told you, in today's time, students, this is very important, the concept of digital marketing. You all know, students, everything has happened online. Correct? Especially if you see, students, after Geo came in the market, okay, after this coronavirus COVID lockdown, what had basically happened is, everyone, okay, is using smartphones, more and more mobile phones, tablets. So digital marketing, their presence online, students, Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, he had once told this ki, if any company in today's time, if they are not having their online presence, then such a company basically they will be out of the business world. मतलब ये होना कितना जरूरी है स्टूडेंट्स, ROI, return on investments, means what students? Initially, okay, maybe buying computers, investing in having our own team online, sub convert karna, they might be a bit expensive, but over a period of time, basically, if you see, it will definitely fetch returns. Okay, SEM, search engine marketing. So as I have told you, students, nowadays, since everyone uses Google and all search engines, so because of this, what is happening is companies, they want to promote their products. Okay, हम बोलते हैं ना, जितना how much customers will notice your products, उतना ही chances are कि आपके sales बढ़ जाएंगे. Okay, so that is what search engine, they are paying search engines like Google and all. See, no one has the time. For example, students, if today you will type smartphones under 10,000, no one will have the time. If you type such a thing on Google, you will get hundreds of websites, correct? But you all don't have the time. What you all will do is maybe first 5, 6, or maybe maximum 10 आ रहा है उतने आप देखोगे. So what companies are doing is, वो लोग, they will make sure उनकी website पहले आए. They are paying Google for it. पे पर क्लिक, स्टूडेंट्स, आज के टाइम में स्पॉन्सरशिप्स, कोलैबोरेशंस also work a lot. Means, if I will tell you, students, if I have a YouTube channel, okay, I am promoting a product. If I am a beauty blogger, let's say, okay, I am selling, मुझे Maybelline जैसी कंपनी ने अप्रोच किया है to sell my lipsticks. So what I am now basically doing is, you students watched my video, आप लोग ने मेरे लिंक पे क्लिक किया, okay, then I am getting a commission since मेरे through Maybelline के product sell हुआ है. You all watched my video and purchased it, correct? So that is known as pay per click. Content, this is very important, students. आजकल there are so many viral videos and all. Content means क्या आप बना रहे हो, planning needs to be done in a proper manner. Correct? Social media we have already covered. SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. So if you basically see, students, what is the meaning of this is, see, search engine like Google's and all. Okay, Google is the best example of search engine. If we want to search anything, the first thing that we do is go to Google. Correct? So optimization means what, students? Again, there is something online that is keeping a track of you. Okay, so whenever you go online, आपने देखा होगा sometimes whenever you might be scrolling Facebook and all, what normally happens is, आपने पहले कुछ प्रोडक्ट अगर सर्च किया है, okay, so that will come automatically, right? Same way, students, Google जैसे search engines, कई बार on Twitter and all, hashtags are very common. कई बार like recently I remember iPhone launch हुआ था, ओके, तब वो काफी ट्रेंड हो रहा था सर्च इंजिन्स पे. दिस नॉर्मली हाउ इट हैपेंस इज, when too many users search for a particular product online. Okay, that is what is told over here. So I hope you have understood search engine optimization means basically पहले how in malls sale के time पे crowding हुआ करता था, तो same way अब now it has been replaced by online. More and more people are using hashtags. Okay, keywords use करते हैं. Fine, I hope it's clear, students. So now you can totally feel like, marketing careers, if you see basically. Overall, see, company faces many challenges, students, right? Maybe in terms of, website management, right customers ko target karna, finding new customers, training employees, right? Because at the end of the day, students, employees are the ones who have to work, and together everyone achieves more, right? Team का full form but again एक अच्छा brand वही है, students, those who will overcome failures. Failures can happen due to many reasons, due to maybe bad quality, bad customer service, but ultimately who is a leader? Okay, someone who overcomes challenges, overcome failures. Okay, so I hope you all have understood, students. We are now done with the revision for unit number 3 and 4. And yes, one more point I forgot to mention previously, students, abhi bata deti hu. I told you about the third P, place, right? So place में always remember, you have to remember this link, ये जो होता है, channels of distribution हम बोलते हैं. Manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, customer. This is how a product flows. Okay, कई बार for example if you see companies prefer direct marketing, like from manufacturer to a customer directly product मिल रहा है. Okay, very good, but sometimes if you see when companies are huge, students, okay, like आप देखते हो, if my phones for example I want to sell in North India, South India, I personally, one person cannot manage to sell it everywhere. So what I will do is I will appoint wholesaler. Wholesaler means what? जो maybe एक साथ मेरे पास से 1000 2000 फोन ले रहा है. What he will do is he will sell the phone to a retailer. Retailer means what? There are so many retail outlets in Ghatkopar. Correct? Retailers ये जो लोग होते हैं, students, they directly come in touch with customers. तो maybe what he will do is retailer 100 200 यूनिट रखेगा phones के. Correct, and remember, students, ये जो middlemen, marketing intermediaries, whatever we call them, they are not selling my product. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उन्हें 1000 में फोन, एक for example if one phone I am selling to them in 10,000, तो वो लोग भी 10,000 में बेचेंगे. No, they will might be sell it for 12,000. ये बेच में जो 2,000 rupees है in between, that is nothing but their commission. Okay, so I hope it's clear, students, now. All the units we have now revised. Okay, so I will just stop recording now.